we have some really exciting stuff going on today. First, we're gonna head over to ACT Transmission. We're gonna check out the shop. We're gonna see what engines and transmissions he's currently working on. Oh, what is this guy doing? Failed to tell you earlier is we're gonna take the really long route to ACT Transmission. There's a ton of traffic. We are actually heading on Topanga Canyon South for the canyons, but there is a ton of traffic right now, so I don't know how much fun we're going to be able to have. Yep, there's just a lot of traffic today, so no fun to be had, I don't think. Drive down Topanga Canyon to the PCH coast. Oh, there's just so much traffic. Again, not that we do anything stupid, but it might be a little easier to go a little bit faster. All right, I'm hoping on the way back there's not as much traffic. If you have a chance to come to California, definitely visit this area. It's beautiful. If you love to hike, there's a lot of great places to hike around here as well. Just don't get eaten by anything or get hurt. I mean, don't get eaten by anything and don't get hurt. And don't say I told you to go if you do get eaten or hurt. It's not illegal if I use every bit of the road, right? I'm not going over the lines, I'm not speeding. I'm just using all of the road. Try and work those apexes in between the traffic. Let them get far enough ahead so you can get some practice in. Again, staying within the lines and going the speed limit. This car is like a roller coaster in the canyons, I swear. Hey kids, look, the pool. Woo! Talk to me, Kooks. I think that's all the time we have here at the beach. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's the Tracking Ponies Car Shop Car. Pony Shop Car. Thank you. It's Car Ponies Car. All right. We're here to see a few things. Transmissions, engines, and what the project car is. I drive in reverse. This is how I roll. So as we know, E85 burns quick. It's time to fuel up on some veggies. I know one of these I'm supposed to use, and the other one I'm not supposed to use. did you guys...
But it's a labor of love. A love of filling your belly for only $5.
What did you guys think with the Bronco? I don't even know where to start with the Bronco because I was really expecting a project vehicle. I was expecting something either to be bare bones, something that needed to be painted, needed an engine, needed a transmission, something that was going to require time and a workable budget, an efficient workable budget. Now we're dealing with something that's completed. It does make me wonder, you know, if we do get a completed vehicle, obviously it has to be within our budget, of course, but if we do get a completed vehicle, we can immediately start having fun with it. And then we've got a variety of vehicles to start having fun with. What we save for projects and what we do next. So in terms of the Bronco, it's really about, do we have something that's ready to go off-road, or do we really want to find a project to sink our teeth into? I don't know. The project's finished. A little disheartening because you don't get to work for something. And really, the reward is really the journey. And it's really building the car and that experience and those memories and building that kind of community feeling when you're working together on a project. However, a finished truck means immediate play. This is tough. This is tough because we do have projects, but we all want to go play. If you have an opinion about this, do we get a finished truck or do we get a project truck? Let me know. If you have an opinion, let us know in the comments. On another note, my friend Salim wasn't at the shop today. He got called away on business last minute, but that's okay. We did get to see the truck, and we're gonna catch up with Salim in the future. He's very knowledgeable about transmissions, torque converters, trans brakes. If you have any questions about that, I will be meeting with him in the coming weeks to try and get some questions answered, but we will catch up with him. He was called away on business. Business calls, you gotta go. But it was nice that we were able to see the truck and find out exactly what it was, and really to find out that it's pretty much done. I do know there was a problem with the fast electronic injection system. Chris, the head mechanic there, let me know he was still tuning the vehicle and they were working on the fuel injection system. So that could take a little bit of time to dial in. We've got our Bronco on the list. We've got Beauty up there, and we're gonna look at some other project vehicles in the coming weeks, find out if maybe there's something that's better suited for us. But it's nice to know that we got to see the Bronco today, and at least we've got an opinion on it of what we may or may not want to do with it. Well, my opinion would be we just send it right off road, full send. Okay, what's coming up this weekend? We're going to Button Willow. We're headed out with Speed District. We will be taking the 17. And actually what's great about this is my dad and I are going together, and I love racing with my dad because he is all out on the track. He is safe, but he is all out, and I've learned so much from him. He's actually been my instructor when he first started racing. He passed that down to me. Now I'm learning, and I'm trying to improve my skills, and eventually I'll hopefully be lucky enough to teach my sons. I think they're gonna have the bug to race too. Then I'll let you guys know what's going on. Until then, we'll keep an eye out for some other project vehicles and see if there's anything else that can take us off-road. Well, I'm back to 191 horsepower to the rear wheels. I love my daily driver.